Law enforcement officers have detained a suspect in the murder of Odessa activist Damian Hanul. This was reported by the Minister of Interior Affairs Ihor Klimenko. According to the minister, a weapon was found in the apartment where the suspect was hiding, which was probably used to kill the activist. President Vladimir Zelensky also reacted to the detention, noting that dozens of investigators, operatives, and forensic experts are involved in solving this crime. All the circumstances under which it was committed are being clarified. I instructed the Minister of Internal Affairs of Ukraine, the head of the Security Service of Ukraine (SBU), and the acting prosecutor general to mobilize all necessary forces and means to establish all the facts, he added. The prosecutor's office has launched an investigation into the fact of premeditated murder committed on order. Clause 2, Part 2, Article 115 of the Criminal Code of Ukraine. SBU added that the suspect is a 46-year-old deserter. Investigators are currently working on possible motives for the crime, including versions of the contract nature of the murder as well as the Russian trace. What preceded? On the morning of March 13, activist Damian Hanul was shot dead in the Premusky district of Odessa. According to the BBC, Hanul has been known since 2013 to 2014 when he participated in the Revolution of Dignity as part of the right sector, and in Odessa he headed the power bloc of the local branch of the Radical Right Party. He was also a participant in the May 2014 confrontation of Kulikove Pole, where almost 50 people died in the trade union building as a result of clashes between pro-Russian and pro-Ukrainian activists. Later, he created the public organization Street Front and together with like-minded people fought against illegal construction. Protests often ended in clashes. In 2017, he was brought to justice together with activists Serhiy Sternenko and Ihor Bey. Damian has repeatedly participated in protests outside the Russian consulate in Odessa. In November 2021, together with like minded people, he brought a coffin there with the inscriptions Cargo 200 and Russians are going home. In early 2022, when Russian rapper Besta was scheduled to perform in Odessa, Hanul managed to cancel the concert.